Class 11D student, I'm going to teach you sociology, and in sociology I'm going to teach you chapter 4, Western Sociologist. The prominent Western sociologists were Max Weber, Karl Marx, and Emily Durkheim. Several of the early social philosophers predicted that a systematic study of human behavior would emerge one day emerge. In the beginning of the 19th century, European theorists made pioneer contribution to the development of surveys of human behavior. The Enlightenment or the Scientific Revolution, the French Revolution, and the Industrial Revolution, three main revolutions paved the way for the emergence of sociology. The key ideas of three pioneer sociological thinkers Karl Marx, Emily Durkheim, and Max Weber respectively laid the and Marx and Weber respectively laid the foundation of sociology as the part of the classical tradition. Karl Marx, a German sociologist and philosopher, in, is universally regarded as a materialistic interpreter of society. His theory of class struggle is that each society has two opposite classes. Each society has two opposite classes, the exploiters and the exploited. With the exploitation, when the exploitation becomes unbearable, the conflict between the two becomes clear. Emily Durkheim was a successor of second philosopher was Emily Durkheim, 1858 to 1917. Was a successor of Comte, is very popular in the world of sociology. Like Comte, he stressed upon observation, investigation, and classification in the sociological study and stayed away from the theological and metaphysical scholars of thought. The theory of division of labor is regarded as Durkheim's major contribution to the field of sociological thought. Obviously, he tried to determine the social consequences of division of labor in modern societies. Max Weber, 1864-1920, he was a German political economist and sociologist. He had a multi-dimensional personality, and his great achievement can be seen in his scholarly works. Weber is the first sociologist to analyze the functioning of bureaucracy from the sociological point of view. Of course, to an he led to to establish the theory of bureaucracy because of his interest in the matter of power and authority. Weber says that for the administration of rational legal authority, we need a strong machinery, which is bureaucracy. Bureau means an office or a system of laws, rules of regulations defining specific functions. So, these are the three prominent sociologists of Europe who gave new theories and new direction to sociology and thus made the subject sociology very strong and practical, and sociology is often called the mother of all the sciences.